evening, guys. So our vlog for today is we're gonna cook vegetables noodles. Simple cooking lang tayo, guys. So ipapakita ko sa inyo ang lutuin kong noodles. Ayan yung noodles. Ito, guys, para siyang pansit ba to sa atin. So ito yung nakita ko sa Asian store. So lutuin natin, guys. Okay, let's start. The oil, garlic, onion, ginger. Ayan, guys. Added chicken. So brown. So ito yung mga ingredients niya, guys. Pak soy or Chinese pichay at saka broccoli, then carrots and cabbage, tauge, and it's the same cabbage and leaf, a little bit soy sauce, the tauge, done. Set aside. Now it's boiling. Hi guys! So ayan, titikman na natin ang ating pansit. Ayan yung ating pansit. Sarap. Para siyang yung pansit bato sa atin. So ayan guys, medyo basa, medyo may sauce siyang konti. Kain guys! Kain tayo! Mas masarap siya kaysa dun sa isa. Yummy! With toppings ng toasted onion. Sarap! Sumakot Mukbang tayo guys. Crispy pa yung broccoli guys. So ayan lang guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.